Alright, now I will go get on it a little bit out here on the main road and show you guys what it sounds like inside the helmet. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with the exhaust. It was exactly what I was looking for, which is something a little bit louder than the factory exhaust, but not rattle your eardrums, wake all the neighbors up, crazy loud. So again, this is just the Rinehart slip-on, the standard slip-on. It's not the DBX 40 or 45 or anything. I ordered it directly from Rinehart and I paid a little under 800 bucks for it. So yeah, overall I really like the exhaust. Was exactly what I was looking for. First thing I thought after I first heard this exhaust on my bike was, I'm glad I didn't go louder. It seemed like at first it was really loud and kind of had a little bit of a drone to it. And I either just got used to it or the exhaust just kind of settled into the bike and kind of went away. Maybe it's a combination of both. But no, I think the exhaust did kind of settle into the bike, because when I ride, I don't notice a drone at all. I can still hear my podcast and music in my helmet super easy. And it's great. It's mellow when you want it to be mellow, and when you really get on it, it's loud. So yeah, very happy with the Rinehart slip-on. And I was going to actually do a proper before and after video comparing the stock exhaust to this Rinehart slip-on. And I took some video of me doing takeoffs and flybys with the stock exhaust, just like I did this exhaust. And I had it on my old phone, and my old phone mount broke on the freeway, which is why I now have the quad lock on there instead of the old whatever brand from Amazon I had on there. Learned my lesson there. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. My name's Austin. I go by AG2 Wheels here on YouTube. I like making motorcycle videos, making motorcycle content, helmet reviews, bike reviews, talking about random riding topics, that sort of thing. So if any of that interests you and you want to hit the like or the subscribe button, that would be awesome. But until next time, guys, peace out.